Hi, I'm the BBQ Butcher. In today's video, I have a 9+ Wagyu Tenderloin, or where I come from in New Zealand, I fillet. Just to tell you about how the marble scores go in Wagyu. When they grade them, they grade it in between the sirloin and the Scotch fillet. So that's the animal, they do a slit in there and open it up. And that's how they get the grade 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one, 9+. But one of the few muscles in the carcass that doesn't always marble up that great is the tenderloin, because it does no work. I don't know, and I don't think people actually know why it doesn't always marble up like the rest of the animal does. But anyway, so if you ever see some and you cut it and go, that's not 9+, just make sure, don't have a go at the poor butcher, because it's done on the Scotch and the sirloin, not on the eye fillet. But anyway, let's crack on into this one and let's see what we've got. So again, this is a Carrara eye fillet 9+. We're going to take off the silverskin, as you can see here down the back. We're going to take off that, trim it up a little bit, and then cut some steaks into it. So what I always do first when I do these is come down here, scoop this part out here to begin with. And on the eye fillet, that cap part that goes over there, just run my knife down there, and you open it up, and you can see the rest of the silver skin under there. So I've got that opened up. Right, so that's all opened up. Then start at one end and go to the opposite end. So put your knife under and just run it down the back. Easy as that. Okay, get another piece. And so on. This takes a big piece of gristle off the top of the eye fillet. Some people leave it on. It's just to probably make more money, but it's pretty horrible if you got a really expensive piece of meat in a restaurant and it had the silver skin on it, you wouldn't be happy. Scoop that out. And this last part, reverse it up again. Start at the end. Down, 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 pull that out. Okay, so now we're going to cut some steaks out of it. Just going to straighten up the edge. Now, come there. Get a big knife. Again, make these a bit thicker. I fill it about 3 fingers. Oh, again, it's very tender. It's very tender. It's just easy to cut. It's pretty amazing, actually. Just feel it when I cut it. So there's some marbling in this one. Not as much. Oh, no, it's getting better. As I said, it doesn't always marble up like the Scotch or the sirloin. Again, oh, that's a better one. Yeah. That's pretty cool. So yeah, so there you go. There's from the start all the way down to the end of it, and that's the tail part there. So as I said, this is a marble score 9, so it'd be super tender, but it doesn't mean it's going to have immense marbling all the way through it. But remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you up on my next video.